Got this super weird spasm going on, like right in my eyeball, like right there. Can you see it? Totally not gonna do it now, is it? It's been doing it all day since I woke up. Right when you want it to do the thing, it doesn't do the thing. Did you see that? Oh man, all day. It's so fucking weird. It's finally time for me to organize my nuts and bolts, which is awesome. And basically it saves me going from a big pile of mess to much more organized. Easy. Look at that, all organized. Easy. That's a bit burnt. I'll get new ones. Gotta love the wheel bearing noise. Heading to Mick's place. Mick is a mate of mine who's helping out with the car build and everything. I brought his nut cert gun, which made life so much easier. Ooh, R35. Nice. Mick!
There you go.
Good. Your face.
Oh God.
Your face. That's what you need. Hey Ben.
Because your race car sucks.
Oh! Oh! Really? Gonna pull that punch?
Had to, man. You pulled the camera on me that quick.
Oh! Job 1 done for the day. Time to head to job number 2. Gridlock sucks. When it's 10:30 at night and you've just finished work, but you still have to clean the car, but you gotta clean the car. So because I'm totally way too lazy to chamois the actual car, I'm just going to take it for a drive, wait for it to cool off, hit it with some glass cleaner / Rain-X, and then I'm going to go to bed. Alright, time for bed. Long day. Bye bye.